Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde, and it's Ipsy time! So stay with me. Okay, it's the end of the day. That's always what time it is when I get my Ipsy bag. So my Ipsy cave, and I'm sorry for my appearance, and I have blue hair. And if you want to see how this all happened, I'll link the video up there. It was a little bit of an accident, and I've decided to go with it. That's a short synopsis, no need to click the link. Oh, I should tell you, I'm Melanie Mills, 45 years old. I have rosacea and sensitive skin, and I put out 2 videos a week. Sometimes something stupid like this, sometimes I review videos, sometimes I do all kinds of crazy things, or I try to. I would really appreciate it right now if you click on subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, let's get to the bag. All right. Ipsy is one of my favorite things, and every month I say I shouldn't do it. It's $10. I should put that towards something I really want. But then I get the bag and I get so excited. All right, my hand's on the bag. It's like there's something outside of the bag. What is it? Something out. Oh, no, it's the bag. I'm grabbing the bag. It is, ooh, a pretty peach bag for August. All right, peach color. I don't know if I'm feeling it, but look, cute little tassel. And I always think more jewel tones for August, but okay, all right, it's still summertime. Let's see what I got. First things first is something really weird feeling, and I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to say, oh my God, that is really weird. What is it? Let's open it up. It's some kind of gel, all right. It's like minty menthol. It's kind of tingling. It's tingling. You know, I think this is really interesting because I'm 45 years old and I can't see without my glasses. And I hate my glasses, so I have to put them on every time I do this video. Let's try that right here. I'm going to try my glasses on. I'll be right back. Look how stupid I look with my prescription reading glasses. I've always had good luck with Zenny. This is the first time I'm like, this is horrific. All right, Belief, the True Cream Aqua Balm. All right, it is very liquidy and nice, and it feels really good. I really like getting a new lotion every month. It really makes me happy. Who knew? Like little things like new lotions every month. Very exciting. All right, what's next in the bag? All right, the next is, how cute is that? It's Glamour Dolls. Glamour Dolls Sweet Treat Lip Gloss. Lip gloss? I thought like for sure this is gonna be a, oh my God. All right, I gotta open it up. I thought for sure this look was going to be nail polish, and I was like, that's pretty cool. I don't have that shade. That would be a kind of fun nail polish for the summer, wouldn't it? Yes, but it's not. It's for my lips, and which is good because I have no lip gloss on. All right, let's do it. And you open it up. I love it. So much fun. All right, let's put it on. Right? It smells like candy. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm not like a big fan of this look on my lips, especially when you get it all over. But the smell, oh my God. I like it. I like it. That's not bad. Like it kind of just looks a little shimmery. All right, what's next in the bag? That's 2 things. Let's see what's next is Glow 2 Ciate Glow 2 highlighter. How cool is that? All right, it's my first time getting a highlighter from Ipsy, so let's see. Ooh, that is shimmery and shiny. Let's do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I love it. Okay, so it's like in a magnetic pan. Can you see like the glimmer? Is it glimmering? All right, we're just gonna go for it. Holy shit. Do you see it? Like I don't know that I don't usually do that because it like accentuates the wrinkles. Highlighter accentuates wrinkles. See? Accentuated my wrinkles. I think I'm going to stop using this now and give it to my daughter. Oh. Highlighters are not for me. They're not for me. See, like the last thing I want to highlight is right here because I'm getting these little old age wrinkles. But actually, I'm like, that's fun. It's a little sparkly. See it? See it when I turn? See my wrinkles? I highlighted my wrinkles. I'm gonna do it on the other side. Hold on. Let's highlight those wrinkles. Just making them disappear. They're like shimmery, sparkly now. That's scary. Don't do this at home. What's next? What's next is this. It's Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions. Oh wow, liquid lash extensions. Isn't that otherwise known as mascara? Let's see if we can open it up. Okay, it says, oh look, before and after. Do you think I want to look like that? Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, let's get it out. I kind of like the color. I'm digging this stuff right now. I love my Ipsy bag. I get so excited. All right, Thrive, here we go. Let's see if we can get some. Did you hear the sound it made? Hold on, just listen. Did you hear the zip? All right. Liquid lash extensions. Holy shit. Can you see? It's working. Can you see? What do you think? Should we do one more coat? Like I'm afraid because it's like. Let's do it one more time. I've applied it not that well because like I was just testing out really fast and I kind of like it. Oh, see, it's still wet. All right, let's see what's next. Last thing in my Ipsy bag. Let's go reach for the piece of paper. All right, selfie with no filter. A selfie with no filter. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. I gotta do something about these wrinkles. Last but not least in the bag is Pixie by Petra. I really liked Pixie last. A while ago I got a Pixie eyeshadow. I forgot about that. I need to get that. Ooh, let's see what this is. Look how stupid I look. I like aged. Like it looks like gray hair. Here. I've aged like tremendously, really fast, haven't I? In my granny glasses and my gray hair. Pixie Petra blush. So we're gonna put that on. I don't know where my blush brush is. I think it's still packed. I just got home from vacation. And it's a really, really pretty color. Let's just put some on. Oh shit, what have I done? It's a little too brick for me, huh? I don't tend to use blush because I have rosacea. I already have like serious blushing issues. I don't know about this. Obviously you should use a brush at home, but I feel like that's more like a highlighter. It looks almost like a bronzer to me. All right, well, it's not a fail. I'll probably use it more like a bronzer than a blush. But that's it. That's my Ipsy bag. I've got a new blush, a mascara, a highlighter, a lip gloss, and some lotion and some cream for $10 a month. I mean, like, that's so worth it. All right, I do well with my Ipsy bag. So thank you, Ipsy, and thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this of people, wrinkled old ladies with blue hair. Bye-bye.